Is the complicated user interface and high monthly billing of your ad tracking tool is overwhelming you? Are you also thinking of buying a different ad tracking tool that is not only affordable but also the easiest to use? Hi, I am Vashisht and today let's talk about CPV1. In this video, I'm gonna take you through a campaign setup with postback setup and then we will be exploring all the platform features of CPV1. So let's get started.
Before going through the campaign setup, let's check the pricing. CPV1 is basically the cloud-friendly version of CPV Lab. While CPV Lab is a self-hosted ad tracker, CPV1 does not require you to buy your own server to run the ad tracker. You can directly go to the CPV1 website, go to pricing, and choose the plan that matches your requirements. The entry-level plan is $57 per month on monthly billing or $48 per month when paid annually. It is a premium of $577 for 1 year. In this plan, you get 2 million events per month. When you go over this limit, you will be charged 5 cents for every 1,000 events. You can create unlimited campaigns, create this, offers, sources, etc. And you are allowed 2 campaign types, 3 API integrations, and 3 custom domains for tracking. Upgraded plan will get you more events per month, less overage cost, more campaign types, more custom domains, API integrations, and a lot of features. Details are on your screen. For a smooth campaign setup, here's the SOP I have created. First, set up custom tracking domain in CPV1 if you already have any. Set up traffic source and set up offer tool. And offer to post that in your affiliate network. And then create offer and set up tokens properly. Next, create a campaign. And then check the option that says use traffic source postback URL to mark conversions at your traffic source. This is a very crucial step. Then copy the campaign URL, go to your traffic source dashboard visible and network, and then set up your campaign there. Use the campaign URL you get in CPV1 campaign and put it as the destination link in your ad campaign in your ad network. Then wait for moderation and see the traffic rolling in and getting tracked by CPV1 seamlessly. So let's get started.
So guys, let's talk first about CPV1. It is one tool to track all your media buying campaigns. You can start a free trial to have your hands on it. You can also buy a premium plan with a discount by pasting the discount code here. An exclusive discount code is in the description and first comment of this video, so do not forget to check it out. For $48 per month, you will get 2 million events per month. The overage cost is just $0.05 per 1,000 events. You get unlimited campaigns, unlimited traffic sources, and affiliate networks. In this starter plan, you get 2 campaign types or layouts, 3 API integrations, and 3 custom domains with SSL. When you choose to upgrade, you get more features and lesser limits. Here's how the CPV1 dashboard looks like. Since I've used it already, you can see these stats from my previous test campaigns. And in this video, I'm going to show you a campaign setup. I've taken the campaign, or you can say the CPA offer, from Mobidea, and my traffic source is going to be Galaxian. I am already approved for this CPA offer, so let's go directly to CPV1 and set up our campaign. With the process, we need to set up the traffic source and offer source. So go to sources and click on traffic sources. Now here you can either add your traffic source manually or choose it from the catalog for easy integration and guided setup. I have already added Galaxian as traffic source here, but let's add it from the catalog just to see how I did that. postback URL is very important for proper tracking of your traffic and reporting of conversions. You'll get the postback URL from your Galaxian account, and here I only had to replace the CID. I copied it from my ad network and pasted here. If you are an advanced media buyer and have got extra tokens to track, you can also configure them here. Once done, click on Save. Just like we added the traffic source, I will also add the offer source as well. Go to Sources and click on Offer Sources. Now we can import offer source from catalog and choose Mobidea from the list. There are so many affiliate networks as you can see, so this basically ensures that you're not limited to any special or any specific traffic or affiliate source. Now just copy this postback URL and click on Save, and let's save this postback URL in the affiliate network dashboard for proper conversion tracking. So here you can see I have added the offer source. So the next step we need to do is click on Edit, copy the postback URL and go to Mobidea settings, and then I have to paste the postback URL here and click on Save Settings. And this is one easy step to set up the postback in our affiliate source, which is offer source. So now our sources are set up properly, and now we can choose our offer and start our campaign in Galaxian. So let's find the CP offer for now. As you can see, I am approved for some affiliate offers. You can apply for some offers if you are not already approved in Mobidea, like this. Just choose your traffic source and apply and wait for the approval. Once done, you will be able to see your affiliate link that you need to set up and configure in CPV1, and then further you need to go and promote it. So see, I am approved for this, so I will copy this URL, go back to CPV1 dashboard, and here you can see LPs and offers. Now here you need to add offers in offers management, and you can see you can copy the offer name right from the Mobidea. Source network has to be properly set up as Mobidea CPA. Both are the same thing, so I will keep it any of them. Then payout, choose correctly. Then here's the important thing, you need to paste the URL of your offer. So there are few parameters you need to replace. So here's the guide how you can do that. You have to replace pub click ID to sub ID, site to creative ID, pub sub ID to sub ID, and tag to sub ID. So this is how you need to do it. Site, pass site here. So we are passing the site parameter, and here pass the sub ID here, and this is tag is equal to sub ID, which is very important to track your campaigns properly with CPV1. So every Mobidea offer URL you are adding in offers management must have this as suffixed. So this is how my final URL looks like. Now I need to just copy this and then paste it in URLs. Then you can also choose a group if you want. Let's click on save once ready. You can also paste notes about the offer if you want. This will help you not look for all these informations back in your affiliate network. Just paste it in notes, and you will be able to see everything in your CPV1 dashboard. And you can choose a group as well and then click on save. Now our offer is done. Now we can set up the campaign in CPV1, and only after that we will get a link to promote in Galaxian. So now we will set up a campaign. We are using the quick campaign setup. You can also have more tracking domains by setting up few from custom domains, but for now I'm using this one only. Now here are the data options, the kind of data you want to track, campaign type. Right now we are using direct link. Data options I always use are geodata, then ISP or career data, and the referrer data. So these are some important data metrics you must be tracking. Now you need to choose the traffic source and the offer for proper tracking. If you miss anything, the tracking will not be proper. So first choose traffic source, which is Galaxian CPC traffic. Then choose my bidding type, which is CPC. For now I have to type my CPC bid for proper costing and revenue tracking, basically the ROI tracking. Now I'm choosing the offer I added. Now see, one campaign can have multiple offers, and you can rotate your traffic and assign the percentage of traffic you want to assign to each offer. So now I'm just giving traffic to one offer only, so I will choose 100% one, and this is the URL that I need to submit in my ad network campaign. So when I set up the campaign in my Galaxian account, I will use that. Now this is very important thing. If you will not check this thing, then your conversions may not go to your ad network. So I checked this, and now the conversions that will come in CPV lab will go in my ad network as well. Here's the catch. If you are an advanced user, you can switch to advanced setup of your campaign quickly. And here you can add more tokens for tracking. So I am adding the TS campaign ID and TS country as well for more accurate targeting. Now let me tell you one more very important thing. So as you can see, I've already set up the postback URL, postback everything. Now you can see how many percent of conversions I want to send to my ad network. I can configure like I want to send only 60% of conversions to my traffic source. So this is a very important thing that you can do in CPV1.
So guys, once you are done creating the campaign in CPV1, we need to create a campaign here in Galaxian. So you can start running this campaign. You just copy some information for reference purpose, then choose business model, formats, the one you want. I'm choosing push notification. Then here you need to type platform mobile or desktop for ad creations. As you can see, you have to only run traffic for Android, so I'm choosing mobile. And here is the gallery, or you can say the library of advertisement that you can choose from, and then replace some text to make them unique for your own brand. So there are so many options that I can choose from. I will choose any one out of it, and it automatically populates the information. I can just edit it and click on create to make it my own ad. Okay, you can also upload an image also. Let's create. So as you can see, the ad is created now. Now you need to choose geolocation. As you can see, this offer is worldwide, so I can choose any location I want. So I can choose multiple locations in one bidding rate. So I will choose cost per click, start date, end date, and CPA goal if you have any. If you have already set up the conversions properly, then you can set up the CPA goal a little less than what you are getting in your affiliate network. Okay. Then you can see how many clicks you will be getting, and then you have to choose the OS, just like I did Android. I will not choose the very old Android versions so that I can get good traffic on this. And then you can also choose user activity level high, or you can also custom type it. Then daily campaign budget $10 and $30 total campaign budget for testing. And I already copied this URL from my campaign in CPV Lab. Just paste it right here and click on submit. Once you click submit, it will ask you whether to pause the campaign after moderation or just run it. I just choose yes, run it. Then here's the campaign I've created already. It is awaiting moderation now. Once it will be ready, after moderation, it will start sending traffic, and you can see the campaigns I've run before. I will show you this one where I got so many 86 conversions in past. So this traffic was running from Galaxian only. So guys, just like we did the first campaign, I've also added a CPA campaign here, as you can see. So I have set up the campaigns very easily. It was a seamless process with CPV1. So it's a big thumbs up for the campaign setup process. And then let's go to the good part, which is campaign stats. So this campaign I ran in the past has got me so many conversions. As you can see, all these stats, like I bought 78 conversions, $2.73 revenue, and cost is this. So basically this tracks everything like profit loss, ROI, and everything that you need about your campaigns. So this is the campaign stats, a very quick stats about the campaign. You will get all these columns about each click. So this is a very good feature about CPV1. Now you can also check your conversions list in CPV1. Here you can see the campaign name, and then keyword or target, IP address, and all the data that you want. And then the geo stats is very important to further optimize your campaign for the best geolocations that are converting. So as you can see, I'm getting conversions in Nigeria and all these locations. So I can further filter down the geos in my campaign in Galaxian and make it a best one. Then you can also check the mobile audience report, the campaign's overview, visitor stats, visitor lookup, click lookup, and you can also choose this update conversions feature if your conversions are not logging in Galaxian. Then you can send the conversions to your traffic source from this feature.
Now, one thing I want to show you, that when you go to click on create advanced setup, then you see this option of choosing the domain. There are so many domains, but if you want your own domain, how you will get that? For example, I have this domain. Okay, I want to use this domain for tracking. So what I will do, I will go to settings, I will go to custom domains. Okay, then I will add the domain here. How I will choose the domain, I will say track.curiosity.click. So basically this is my then server, this one, and then I will go to advanced DNS. So since I already have this, CNAME record is this, and then I will add one more CNAME record. You go to this part, then target will be this, and then save. To do this, we need to go to DNS setup. See, it's showing up. It's not eating. So the custom domain has been saved to the database. We waited for some time and then you can see this is our domain. This way we can add more. We will go use CNAME record and I will say go and we will copy the same one, then say okay, all save. Then you will check it by from here, right? And you instantly edit. See, the custom domain has been saved to the database. Now see here. Okay, so track dot. We need to go to campaigns place. Then click on add new campaign. Go to this and go to this. You will see that you have this domain here. So when you will choose this, then your campaign URL will be like this.
So guys, this was it from my side about CPV1. I like the seamless integration of CPV1 with any affiliate network or AND network. You can find almost every network on your catalog. Using the redirect rules and optimization rule, you can manage your traffic to get your best results. Also, it gives you 100% control over your data. How much data you want to send to the traffic source and how much you want to keep it to your tracker only. This feature again is a game changer in MediaWire. If you manage several landing pages, you can use the Croca tool that generates TXT files that you can upload on your servers, and this is very important. I will affiliate link. So when you're in the initial testing mode, you can check conversion log and ensure the proper campaign setup. If your campaign setup is done properly, you will see the conversion in CTV lab. If not, you will see the conversion in the conversion log. So if it happens, when you need to revise your setup and make sure your parameters are correct, then you can also remove voice conversions, referral records, or the statistics for any campaign you want. So this ensures complete control on the data. I could also customize the stats columns that matter the most to me in the settings, quick view columns. Guys, hope you like this video. Do not forget to use the coupon code DKAPOOR to get a special discount on your CPV1 subscription. Feel free to ask your question related to CPV1 in the comments down below. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.